Task number 11. This is the challenge, is the last task inside Upload Vulnerabilities modules from Complete Beginner Path on TryHackMe. It's challenge time. Head over to Joule upload vulnerabilities.tryhackme. We have to download task files, which I think I already did. Yes, and take what we've learned in this room and use it to get the shell on this machine. As per usual, your flag is in the var deep location. Default location. Bear in mind that this challenge will be an accumulation of everything we've learned so far. So there may be multiple filters to bypass. The attached word list might help. Also remember that not all web servers have a PHP backend. If you need help, there are a series of hints. These are, I see, hints from the creator of this room and a video full walkthrough. Answer the questions below, hack the machine and grab the flag from the variable www location. Okay. Let's start with the beginning. We downloaded the file. Let's see what we have inside there. 3 letters. The name of it is Upload Vulnerable List. Okay, cool. We have that. We know from this that we have multiple filters to bypass. And we also know that the backend is not PHP. Okay, let's jump to this location. Okay, if this happens, just use HTTP and paste again. Okay, we have the usual interface, right, where we can upload things. Have you got a nice image of a gem or a jewel? Upload it here and we'll add it to the slides. Okay, we see the slide behind. The background image is a slide. Let's inspect the source code. Actually, let's go to network and press a refresh. See what we get in here. We have some interesting files, right? As CSS files, which we don't care now, but we have JavaScripts also. And we have the upload.js, which actually is not JavaScript, it's Node.js. We see we have images. We have images, which basically are the slides. We see the 3 letters that are similar from our upload vulnerabilities file. So basically, I think what we upload will be using random three letters file name. So that word list is to find our upload. What else? We have this, which we don't care. Okay. We also saw that we have under content, and then, in other words, the images are stored in the content directory. Let's go over there and see what's up with that. Page not found. No worries. Let's go back. Okay, so we know some stuff about this. Web application. Let's try to use GoBuster. Let's use, yes, I want this one from Dear Buster. Directory 2.3 medium. This is what I want. Let's do a directory brute forcing. So our content directory we just seen, the same one with uppercase C. Admin, which we'll check in a second, modules and assets. Let's go to admin and see what we have in here. Admin page. As a reminder, use this form to activate modules from the modules directory. Okay, so we activate from the modules directory. We just activate modules. Okay. Cool. All right. We have everything doubled, right? Admin with lower cases, admin with upper cases. Okay, let's open up a new tab. We will leave this on just to see our finded directories. Now, I think I'll use again this command. I think I'll use again this one just to check in content what files we have in there. We saw that we have 3, actually 4. 4. Let's see if we find them. Let's paste here this command, but we have to change a little things. We have to go to home, download, and then here we have the upload. This is one thing, and we also have to add here content. Let's go. Oh yes, I forgot, obviously. We have to press also, we have to use also the -x one and use the JPG. I see they are stored under JPG. I'll leave it like this. Invalid line in... Okay, what is not liking? Because it's not Go Buster. Okay, now it's good. Okay, we already found the first one and we will need 4 more to see. Okay, let's open another tab and now let's try to upload an image. We go over here and let's try to upload Jewel. Okay, let's try to upload, I don't know. This one. Okay, I want to save it with JPEG image. Save. Let's go back to this panel and let's try to upload this. Successfully uploaded. Cool. Now let's see how many. Only actually, to be honest, I will cancel this because I want to re-trigger it again in order to find our fresh upload. Okay, let's open up burp also. Let's intercept and let's go back in here. Let's go in the debugger. Let's go to assets.js and upload JS. Here we can see that we have 3 filters: file size filter, magic number filter, and file extension filter. Okay, now let's check our scans. We see 3 of them. LKQ it is, LFB is not. So this will be our content. This will be our new upload. We are correct. Awesome. Now going back to debugger and our upload.js file, we see this part which I want to comment out because I don't want the extension. I don't want the magic number to, I want to bypass the magic number. Okay, let's see. We go to burp suite and we activate the interception. From the browser, we activate the proxy and we refresh this page. Inside here, we have the first get request. We don't care about that. We don't care about jQuery. No. Upload.js. Yes, this one. Right click, do intercept response to this request. Okay, we forward. Okay, let's try again. Let's do that again. Forward. Do intercept response to this request. Okay, now that we have the code, actually in order to see this, because by default you cannot intercept .js request in burp, you go to settings, you go to proxy, request interception rules, and here from the first line you check this and add it. In here you see all these file types or extensions, let's say. If you have these on, you cannot intercept that request. So in other words, here you saw by default burp has this. This is by default, so you cannot intercept this request. But if you delete that and you leave it like this, you then press OK and go back, you can intercept it. Now, for the magic number, let's comment this out and let's forward this. Okay, we already see that it's commented out. Okay, cool. Everything looks cool. If you right click here, inspect, go to debug. And we also check let's press a refresh. If we check now upload vulnerabilities, we can see that is commented out, right? The part with the magic number. Okay, now let's try this. Let's now try to take from payload all things. We say here a reverse shell node.js, reverse shell from payload all things. We check out a reverse shell for node.js. If we go in the terminal and say here what web, and then we copy this URL, we can see here, for instance, this header x powered by express is a good indicator that the backup language is Node.js. You can also use built with this example, which is again a technology lookup or a technology profiler. You can install this extension and Weaponizer extension. Built with technology profiler. We have it for Chrome, but I need it for Firefox. Built with, as you can see here, for Firefox. But also we have Weaponizer. We also have Weaponizer. All right, let's add it to Firefox. Add. Okay. Now we go back here. We check our extensions. I'm okay with that. JavaScript libraries jQuery. You will also have to know that it's a paid extension. So yeah. Programming languages, Node.js. Awesome. Now that we confirmed that behind we have Node.js, we from payload all things, we use a reverse shell for Node.js. Here we have 4. A Python script here is a simple, all right, but let's take this one. Let's copy this one and let's create a simple shell.js, but we have to do a simple modification. For the IP, we have to place our IP. And for port, I also want to change this port. And now we have our shell.as. Let's try to upload this shell. It will not work because we have a file extension checker. If the file extension is JPG or JPEG, then it will work. Just to see this in action, from all files, we'll try to upload this. Okay, but what happens if, for instance, we change the name? We change the name of shell to JPG, and we try to re-upload it again, shell JPG. File successfully uploaded. Okay, let's clear a bit our working space. Let's clear also this one. And let's now see our JPEG, our GoBuster JPEG check has finished. We can see previously we had 4 images plus 1 that we just uploaded, and now we also uploaded a new one. So let's retrigger this check for images. And also what we can do, we can jump to content, and then let's wait to see. And then let's wait to see what. Whoa, actually we have it. That was pretty fast. Okay. Let's try to go there. The image cannot be displayed because it contains errors. Okay, cool. We know it's BCC. Let's go to admin. And let's open up a Netcat listener. And from here, let's try to activate this. Now, we have to go one level up because we are inside admin. We have to go to the default location, to the, let's say, root of the application. And from there, we access content and our file name. I think we are good. Let's see what will happen now. We don't have a reverse shell. Okay, we have the file here. Let's try again. We have the listener open here. Let's try again. Okay, I'll try first with this. Oh, okay, we have a connection now. If we cat from var and flag.txt, we have it over here. So the only different thing that I've done, submit. Congrats. Okay, we just finished the room. This is the pop-up for finishing one room on TryHackMe. An entire room. Okay, the only different thing that I've done, it was I just used, actually I will show you in the terminal. From this command you can see that I changed Let's go back again and use this to see the difference. As you can see, I changed the IP for the Tune 2 IP, right? This one. That's the only different thing that I've done. And now we have the entire room complete. Awesome.